everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create new users for your employees. There are three main reasons why you want to do that. It's an access, transparency, and reports. So let's get into it.
First question is, why do you even need to create user account for each of your employees? Why not just share the same one? There's a few different reasons why you want to create separate user account. Number one is an access. When you have a user account, you can control permissions. You can assign permissions to the user account that controls what that user can or cannot do. For example, you can say that I want this user be able to create new manifests, but I don't want them to go to the inventory page, for example, or they can create products, but they shouldn't be able to delete these products. The other reason is transparency. Once you create user account, then SellerChamp will start tracking what that user does within the system. So if they change the price, change quantity, submit listings on the marketplaces, it'll be in the revision histories at the manifest level, at the order level, at the product level, where you will be able to go back and check revisions history for your orders and your products to see who did what and when. The third reason you want to create user accounts is reports. Number of items packed by a specific user, number of items shipped out to FBA by a specific employee, number of items shipped, number of orders shipped out by a specific employee. Those activity reports would be tracked and generated for you as well within SellerChamp. Creating user accounts will have that advantage. Let me show you how you can create user accounts. The way you do this is click on that user icon on the top right, go into settings from here on the left menu. User account should be automatically selected, but if it's not, go and click on that. It will bring you to the user's accounts page here. Click the Add Account button, type in your user's name, so for example, Joe Test. Give your users an email, make sure it's a valid email so your users will get an email from us. Type in their phone number, but it's optional. You can keep it empty if you want to. Then give them a password, so this is the password they will use to log into SellerChamp. Once they log in into SellerChamp, they can change this password, but it's their initial password. You can type in something like test123, but I would recommend to use the password generator tool. Click next and then save it. Then you can send this to your user, letting them know that this is their initial password. Once they log into system using this password, they are welcome to change it. Click next and you'll be taken to the permission screen here, where you can set up permissions for your users to what they can or cannot do within the system. We've got some user roles up here. As you can see, it's admin, add view and update, view only. Admin, as you can probably guess, give them everything. So they have permissions to do everything. Add view and edit, they can add stuff, but they cannot delete stuff. You'll be able to add new manifest, but not delete manifest. You'll be able to add products, but not delete products. If you expand this, you'll see that add new manifest is checked, but delete is unchecked. View only, you'll be able to just view stuff, but cannot do anything. The next thing is, once you select one of these general buckets, you can actually go in and make further changes to these permissions. For example, I want them to be able to delete manifests, but I don't want them to be able to delete products. I'll just check this one and I know that I don't want them to be able to view my cost price. You can uncheck, so you can slice and dice these permissions per user.
I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Sign up for our 14-day free trial, set up an onboarding call, and follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.